In this course, you will learn how to use basic modeling techniques such as extrusion, insertion, chamfers, among other tools available in 3ds Max. In this course, you will learn how to make modeling for objects using edge mode, polygon mode, vertices mode, and so forth. And we will get to know two different available techniques such as using modifiers, standard objects, shapes, and spline in order to create a model that is suitable to your project. We will learn how to set up the workspace for modeling so we can find the appropriate unit measure tool. Follow our channel and turn on notification to start this course and follow up with other future advanced modeling course with us. Welcome. This is Session from Egypt with you. Follow me and follow our channel.